CapCut is very simple. Open CapCut and create a new project. You have a bar on the left side where there is media, audio, text, stickers, effects, and transitions. To add media, click on the box so that you can add files. You can add files directly from the CapCut software and just add it on, or you can go into File Explorer and drag the file into the project. Make sure to drop the files into where the media is supposed to go through. You can also drag a whole folder, and then CapCut will automatically sort all the videos inside the folder. To start editing, you need to drag videos into the timeline. You can adjust the length of the video by just dragging the edge, and you can also delete by just selecting the clip and pressing delete. You can also adjust the timeline length by dragging this. So when you select a video, you'll get up this tab on the right. You have video, audio, speed, animation, and adjust, which is the most important thing. Not so special, where you can do keyframes and so on. Here's when you can control the volume, fade in, fade out sound, and speed is where we can control speed. For this particular clip, we're gonna increase the speed. So by just dragging this bar. So we want to add a transition between the two clips. We click the transition tab, and I like to add overlays transitions. Click and hold in and drag it between the two clips you want to transition with. You can also adjust the duration. To split the media, you can click on Ctrl B on your keyboard. To add animation to a specific clip, we select it and go to Animation tab on the right. We can add a number of different animations. So for this particular video, we're gonna add a fade in. So we just simply click it. And we can also adjust the duration. We'll put it at 0.6. You can drag the music in, also adjust when you want it to start and when you want it to end. Options you have to adjust the media is basic, voice changer, and speed. You can decrease the volume, increase the volume, add a fade in, add a fade out. CapCut also offers wide range of sound effects. Click on audio, sound effects, and you can search up whatever you want. So for instance, I'm gonna search up this. I can add it by just dragging it inside. Now I can, for example, add text. I'm gonna just click the text tab and add my default text. I can write whatever I want inside this tab. Adjust my font, add my animation, scale it, and adjust the length. And to add effects, we just click the effects tab and just drag it on. You can adjust the speed and effect that the effect will give us. Here, click export, rename our video, and it's done. Hey, thank you for watching. Don't worry, I got an in-depth tutorial. Check it out if you want to be a master. And subscribe and like.